Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on it's my old RC truck. I got this for Christmas one year. It's really old, and it takes 8 AA's and one 9-volt to power the truck. So I go, there's got to be a better way. So I thought, maybe I got a lot of these, so why don't I just use a M12? So I ordered an adapter with a switch, a fuse, and some wires, and of course a voltage regulator, so that I can actually send the right voltage to it. So first I took the top off, came right off. Then I took the power off here, and then removed the antenna and a couple of mounting screws to get to where the batteries go. The 9-volt batteries are connected right there, and then the AA is the ground for it is this one, and then it goes through this switch on the side for the on and off, and it's the orange wire that's wired to it. So I think I'm going to extend those and then run it through and send those through it so I can power at least the 8AA battery portion. I might leave the 9-volt in there, an 8AA portion, to power this thing, or something else. I got to give it a try and see which way it will work. So let's start by soldering some wires to this point and to this neutral here. Okay, I got it wired to the negative and the positive over here, and I also cut a hole right there, so I'm going to feed it through and then wire it up. Okay, I got my battery power turned on. I turned it on. I got 12 volts going into it. It says in right here. There's nothing coming out, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to power it up and see where it goes, and try to regulate it down to about 9 volts, I guess. Hey guys, I got the Milwaukee battery in there. I put a 9-volt in there for the receiver portion of it, so that's sitting in there. I have my my battery. Let me get a little more light on this thing, and then I'm gonna pick it up, and then we're gonna hit the gas. Oh yeah, it works great. So now I won't have problems with my 9-volt system, and it seems to be working good. So we're gonna let it go, and that's it. Thank you for watching another video. I'll tidy this up. I gotta make it all look nice, okay? But thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and as always, have a great day. Bye now.